So I used this once. We've actually used it twice now, but the 2 times we've used it, even though it is roughly about 1.5 feet off the ground, it completely took off the finish, which is obviously painted. You can even see the paint bubbling here. So it is not black steel. So I would not say this is safe to use for cooking your food on to eat the food, because that's clearly not food safe, which I guess I did not make sure to check before purchasing. So just a fair warning to anyone else.
And you can see it's warping. Not even worth it. Waste of money.
I built this.
I'm scared of it. Oh, you heard that?
I know the burn. You guys remember, don't you?